Okay, I'm going to do a quick tutorial to show you how to download the Libby Overdrive app onto your smartphone or tablet so you can get started reading ebooks and e-audiobooks from the CW Mars digital catalog. So I'm using an iPhone for this example, so I'm going to start by going to my App Store. If you're on an Android device or tablet, you'll want to go to the Google Play Store. It's wherever you go to download an app to your device. So I'm going to tap in the search bar and type in Libby. And so a few suggestions pop up. You're going to want to tap on Libby by Overdrive. And this is the icon of the app that you're looking for. And it's called Libby by Overdrive. So I'm going to tap download. And open. And so it's going to start by asking a few questions just to get you set up on the app with your library card. So I'm going to say, yes, I have a library card. And I'm going to search for my home library, which is the Chicopee Public Library. So I'm just going to type in the zip code. And then I'm going to tap CW Mars Chicopee Main Library. I'm going to enter in my library account details. So you'll type in your library card number and hit next. Then you're going to put in your library card PIN/password. This usually defaults to the last 4 digits of your phone number, but if you've ever changed it in the past, if you need it reset, we can definitely do that by calling the library Monday through Friday between 9 and 4 p.m. and we'd be happy to reset your PIN for you over the phone. So I'm going to tap sign in. Gives you a little preview of your library card. And for this example, I had previously downloaded an e-audiobook to my Libby Overdrive account. So I'm going to go directly to the shelf. And so I have Sourdough by Robin Sloan already downloaded. So it says my loan has downloaded. You can delete it to conserve space on your device. So this shows me that the book has been downloaded. I can read it whether or not I'm connected to Wi-Fi or not. So to configure your download settings, you'll tap on Actions and you can change your download rules. I have it set to only download while connected to Wi-Fi. That way it doesn't use up my phone data if I download the ebook when I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. And I have it checked off that I want everything to automatically be downloaded. So you can change these settings based on what your needs are, but it's good to know that they're there. I'm going to tap hide. And to start listening, all you have to do is just tap on the cover and hit play. So that's really simple. You can go back to your shelf, and if you want to search for more titles, go to library. You can search by title. You can configure preferences, or you can just explore. And I hope that is helpful. If you ever have any questions, please call the library. We are available to answer phone calls Monday through Friday between 9 and 4. During this time, while the library is closed to the public. Thanks for watching.